In this video I will tell you how to convert Paidverts BAPs point to dollar or cash. Or you can say how to convert BAPs to dollar or cash. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it, and press the bell icon for every new video. So let's get started our video. I clicked on login and it showed login page, where my email address and password were already written or saved in Google settings, as it asked me to select coffee cup and click on sign in and I did as. After some moments it shows success and page did open in front of me. On this page, look my BAPs, which are 94,762 in numbers. Look, here is my account balance, which is $0.1303. You looked my BAPs and balance altogether. Now I click on dashboard, and select it, and go downside a little. Here you can read own self. Convert BAPs to cash. This is very important to understand. Now I click on it. And the process of converting BAPs to cash is started. And new window is appeared like that. Now I went downside a little. This is the place where you convert your BAPs into cash. Look. BAPs, minimum 9476, maximum 94762. I click on confirm but before confirming, check it is 94,762 BAPs in my account. Just go to upside. Only for you. That I am saying right. And check how many BAPs in my account shows. So it shows 94,762 BAPs. I removed auto-written BAPs. And wrote with my own hand from keyboard, which is 94,762 BAPs. Now I confirm that I understand and accept the rules. Now click on submit. It shows two columns. One column shows bought, RPs, royalty positions with BAPs. And other shows sold, RPs, royalty positions for dollars. Now I go to upside and select the dashboard to check. Is mine BAPs converted into cash or not? I clicked on dashboard. Now look, my BAPs are converted into cash. Which amount is $4.08 shows in my account. The total amount is in my account is $4.21. So this is the today's video, which share very important practical with you. Friends, if you like my video then you must subscribe my channel. And like the video and share this with other. Thanks for watching.